Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Google Docs and what you can do within it. I created my own, had someone enter some comments, help me edit it, and I'm going to show you that entire process. So first you're going to want to go to Google Docs, which I have pulled up already. So once you have this pulled up, you have all these options for templates, but you're going to want to click on the blank option to create your own, essentially. So once you have that open, you will be able to enter all your information. You'll be able to enter a title and fix everything how you want it. There's also a share option. So when you get everything entered in, and if you need a little bit of help, you can click this share button. And what this share button does is you can enter a name and email. For this situation, we'll just enter me. You can enter the email and then send it, type a note to whoever you want to receive it, and they can share and edit with you. But we're going to go back to my document. So what I did is I shared this with my friend, and what he did is he read over my document, and which you can see right here, he added some comments. So what you do is you'll just select some text, you'll right click it, and then you can see the button that says comment. And when you do that, a comment pops up, and you're able to type in. So what he did, he offered some very good advice to me about being specific about the date. I added in the date, and then he made me add in a couple of examples. So for the Great Depression, I said it was a justifiable theme because it was important, but he said, why is it important today? And I went ahead and added that many traditions and lifestyles were started because of it. And that's about it. Thank you.